Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and of course, when a school asks a question, I go ahead and do a general video for everybody. So we have information in the Google Doc, and this is going to be true for any of the Google Suite. How do you make a comment for this? So first, I'm going to show sighted teachers how to do this with SightedWise. You're going to see accessibility up at the top of your, all the way to the right of your menu. You're going to click on that. And you're also going to see all the wonderful options in here, but you're going to see comments right there. Most actually don't want to learn the command, but this is what we teach our blind students. So enter current comment, or move, or move, or move, or move, and show all comments. So here is another way. You're going to hit your applications key. That's a right click, and it says comment, Control Alt M. So if you want to learn the command, you can, and it's very quick, Control Alt M. But if you're on a Mac, then but it's going to be something else, and I can't remember what it is right now. Okay, you can also type a keyword. Let's say you want to make it right there. So I'm just going to do a Control Alt M, and of course, your teacher's name is going to come up here and change this word. Okay, I'm just going to make something easy, silly. Comment, and it puts a comment there. What's nice is, as the screen reader is navigating through this, they're going to hear it. So if you're not sure how to help the student, if they're our student, we're going to teach them how to access that. But you're going to say, remember, it's under the accessibility command, and they can actually do it this longer way, but it's easier if they learn the Control Alt EC, Control Alt NC, and they're going to just move to the next comment. If you want to help them, just say, just do Control Alt N, then C. This combo visual command up here is really confusing to people. You sit on the Control Alt, you press N, then C, and it makes sense. Next comment, which is lovely. Previous comment, it makes sense also. Just tell them, sit on your Control Alt, hit P, then C, and it backs up. And they can hear it, but they will hear it even with a screen reader. The screen reader is going to go down, it's going to go down, it's going to say, it's going to read the sentence and it's say keyword, comment, and it's going to say the teacher's name, change this word. So they don't even have to access the comment. They will actually hear it. So that is a really cool feature right within the document. I'm going to show one more while we're here because you might put some visuals in here, and I'm going to have to insert that first. So I'm going to go up to the insert command, and we want to insert an image, and we're going to search the web. And let's go ahead and just type in Apple. Make that really easy. And you can type in an apple. You're going to go ahead and insert that in here. And of course, that's way too big. We all that want that up on one page. And you're going to right click on it, and it's going to say alt text, Control Alt Y. And you text that because you may have specific graphics that you want the kids to know about. Anyway, describe the image. So you're going to go over to the right, describe the image, and like in science, atom with, the whatever. But this is, I have no idea what, I do know what type that is. That is, I don't know, can't remember it right now. I'm just going to type in apple, I don't know, representing whatever. Anyway, you type in the description there. So if you don't type in a description, what it's literally going to say is graphic, MP graphic. They will not see anything in there. But you can just alt text it. They're going to go down just like all the other students, but they're going to be able to hear it. Picture of an apple. So that is a really nice feature also. So that right click of your mouse takes you to everything that you need. And of course, making comments, right click once again, there's your comments. And that's how you do all of that. Okay, hope that helps. And hey, tally ho, away we go.